Welcome to 5105 Fifth Street in Fairview, Montana. This charming 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers newer siding, roof, and flooring, creating a solid foundation with room for your personal updates. The compact kitchen invites a creative remodel, while the spacious bedrooms and bathrooms provide comfort and functionality for the whole family. A highlight of this property is the newer detached 2-car garage, offering ample parking and storage space. Located in a welcoming neighborhood, this home is perfect for settling in or bringing your vision to life. Don't miss the chance to make it your own.